Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Old School RuneScape on Xbox. First, understand that Old School RuneScape is not natively available on Xbox consoles. The game is officially supported on personal computers running Windows or Mac OS, and on mobile devices like Android phones and tablets, as well as iOS iPhones and iPads. This means you cannot simply download it directly from the Xbox store. Jagex, the creators of Old School RuneScape, have historically focused their development efforts on personal computers and mobile devices. The game's intricate interface and control scheme are best suited for a mouse and keyboard, or the touch controls found on smartphones and tablets. The mobile versions, released in 2018, brought the full game experience to millions of players, offering a touch-optimized interface for seamless gameplay on the go. While not officially supported, some players explore workarounds to stream Old School RuneScape from a personal computer to their Xbox console. This typically involves using the Xbox's built-in Edge browser to access PC game streaming services, such as Parsec or NVIDIA GeForce Now. For a smooth experience, you will need a robust internet connection, ideally with at least 15 megabits per second, and a capable gaming PC to run the game. For the most reliable and enjoyable Old School RuneScape experience, playing directly on a personal computer, Mac, or mobile device is highly recommended. These platforms provide direct access to the game with full functionality and optimized controls. Remember, Old School RuneScape offers full cross-progression, meaning your character and progress are synchronized across all supported devices. This flexibility ensures you can always pick up your adventure wherever you left off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.